remember getting one of these.
I saw those at the source the other day.
Thank you.
Don't open it now, Mom.
But this is the same thing that Cindy and Will got, right? So I don't need to open it, do I?
No.
And it's got batteries in
This
it
is
that
that
work.
speaker that Cindy and Will got. That,
Yeah, that
It's
light.
like a disco
yeah,
light.
so
Yeah.
what do we hook it up
The
to?
radio and everything.
Bluetooth.
So can I do it from my phone or Dad's phone?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, cordless.
Right on.
And
Thank
you
you.
can dance, you can turn the lights on.
Thank you.
Put some strawberry
logs.
Oh,
logs.
you'll like these, Wes. These are the logs we were talking about last night.
I just bought them because Susie had them growing
Slow
up.
down, Wes. Do you remember these?
Is my gift in here,
Did
Nanny?
your mom buy these?
Remember?
I don't know if I
They're
remember.
little cakes.
That's what your mom.
Right.
Wow.
Those are cute.
What are they, dogs?
No, a dog and Santa.
Oh.
Thank you.
I think that's a polar bear suit.
You're very
Oh
welcome.
yeah. Thank you.
Very
This one's
welcome.
stuck in there.
What's going on? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple TV 3rd generation. Alright, Papa, you're going to be our unboxer today. You want to take a quick look at it?
Alright, here we go. We're going to open our Apple TV here.
There's no tape, it's just like...
Slides out, doesn't it?
Yes, and then that top kind of... No, maybe try pushing it the opposite way. There you go. There you go. There we go, okay.
Okay. Now we'll take it out of here. Oh, there's a remote too. Is there batteries in the remote?
Yeah, and the batteries last about a couple years. I don't mind you. And then
Oh,
just
are
your
they in
power
the
cable.
remote right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then your power cable, and then that's it.
Power cable for the TV?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that's it.
Okay. So that's already charged up, or you don't have to charge them up no more?
No.
Christmas. Christmas with the Griswolds.
Christmas vacation. Yeah.
Gotta keep
For
power
setup.
cord. Oh, I don't have a place to plug it in.
We can take it. We can steal it from the neighbors. All the gifts are open. Now it's time to just for some supper and have some good old times.
I'm good. No, I'm good. Yeah.
You can, bless yourself.
Hey, on the floor, everybody, in a circle.
Like we are?
You know what a circle is? Still a circle.
Yeah. Spin the bottle.
Circle.
No, that's not the
Okay, number, please.
Oh, you done that, baby?
Come on.
All right. Where are we at?
Okay.
What you do? Oh, you got it.
Okay, where you
Here.
going?
Here.
Okay.
Or between Jordan and Natalie.
I'll go here.
Jeez, my leg sees the
Do you need therapy or can you sit on the floor?
I can't get up though.
Okay, well, that's okay. None of us can.
There's no way in hell I can do that.
Okay.
Different across I can.
I think everybody's played this at my house.
Who's been here before?
Like, you throw it down and whoever gets it, gets it?
Yeah, pretty well. Okay. So we're putting We're trying to win all the prizes.
That's why I'm here.
No kidding. Okay. So we have 2 gloves. So when you get the gloves,
Those are my mitts.
Where's those creepy Santa Claus gloves?
you know what? They just went to heaven. So you can
Heaven or hell? Which one did they go
well,
to?
probably.
Were they bad gloves?
So you can put one
Can you wash your leg?
glove on.
Yeah.
Excuse me. One.
Uh-oh, teacher's mad.
You 2 listen over there.
Get in control of your crowd.
Hurry, Merle. Yeah,
Teacher's mad.
Okay.
Who hasn't played
Is this sharing circle?
Whose kids are these?
I don't know.
What happened?
This leg don't bend that way.
Shauna.
They got
Is this sharing circle?
Give me the gloves.
Okay, 2 gloves. So 2 gloves go with you. You only need to put on one, whichever one you want to.
So why don't we just distribute one?
Why do we only wear one glove?
It's a trick.
No, because you might decide to. Ted and Pops might decide to wear the right glove because they're left hand strong.
Oh, you can only use one hand to unwrap.
backwards.
Oh no.
Wait.
Okay, that's my rules. Okay.
Come on. We need dice.
So what are we going for?
Okay. Who decides what number?
I'll do it. 6.
Don't just a minute.
Wait, but we only wear one glove, so we only use one hand?
No,
Yes,
we
you
can
wear
use
one
that.
glove
Yes,
and
and
one
your teeth.
hand free.
This is a new rule.
Yeah, we used to wear 2 mitts.
Yeah, so you everyone use 2
Put 2
hands.
gloves on that.
Yeah.
Teacher, are you thrown up?
I am.
Okay, what number?
2 mitts.
6.
Okay, just a minute. What's a good number? That's
Six.
that's the
Has to
number.
be even.
Pick one
Has to
over
be
6.
even. Okay, it's your birthday in December.
Pick one above 6.
12.
9.
No, it has to be
No, it's
1
not.
to six.
Why?
But why are
Because we only have one dice. We only have one dice.
Four. Lock that at 4.
Even number. Okay, so I'm
This is
gonna
a
need
hard
you like
game.
the number. You can't.
get
Well,
2 gloves, the number is 4, go.
And what do you do with the fourth?
you can't block lock.
Every time that somebody rolls a 4, they get the present in the mix.
Do you know that?
Okay, yeah.
Everybody.
One mitt.
And listen, no violence.
Tighten
No,
up the
2
circle.
mitts, because 1 mitt would be hard.
2 mitts.
2
We've
mitts.
got new friends. You're flexible. We've got new friends here. We do not want to intimidate
They
them.
can
If you get a violence,
Craps is easier than this.
if you
We'll
get
play
a
four
4,
for Denver.
yeah, you're gonna get
Who goes?
paid.
Oh, I
If you
see.
get a
Everyone
four-
rolls the dice individually.
And if you get a 4, you have to grab it.
Yeah, and you.
What do I gotta do?
The first person that rolls a 4 gets to start.
Yeah.
What number do I need to roll?
4.
We're not telling you again.
There.
Okay,
Roll
get her.
4 to get
Grab
the
it,
hits on.
grab it.
It has to go fast.
Yeah.
Or else.
Get it.
Cops will come.
No.
We're having too much fun.
Watch like a
There's no 4 on the
There's not even a 4 on the dice.
Oh! Okay, well, you want to get.
No, Mom.
That's locked.
Hey,
You didn't even
put that
roll
back here.
a 4.
Gee whiz.
Oh,
Guys, you're gonna start off.
Get it, Denver. Go.
okay.
We said no contact. No
Hey,
contact. Four tomorrow. Oh, five.
Over. No, Denver. It cuts both to the center, my boy. What? Yeah. Both mitts.
Put your gloves on, Denver. No, you keep going. Denver, don't listen to the crowd. Keep going.
Sorry, my boy.
You should be.
I'm getting another one.
Hurry, Denver, go.
Hurry, Denver, hurry. Hurry.
Dice is fixed.
No, Denver.
No, you gotta keep going.
No.
You gotta put 2 gloves on.
Put the gloves on.
Just said one.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
why would you put the glove in one hand and
They said no.
unwrap it with the other hand?
That's a fight.
Daddy's gonna
Yeah,
mull you
they
over.
said no. They said no.
Okay,
Hurry,
Denver, rip
Denver,
in there.
hurry. Okay.
Like the hardest number to roll.
Get a 4. Get a 4.
Denver, move over. I'm literally on Annie's lap.
Dad!
Oh, sorry, goodness. Get that.
Denver, don't pay attention.
Oh!
Oh my goodness. No.
Hurry up! Hurry! Go!
I'm homeless. I'm homeless.
One.
This is a time game or?
No.
No, you have to get 4. When we. Unwrap that. Whoever gets that,
There's not a huge prize in there again.
There is.
Wait, get out of the center of the arena.
Start to unwrap?
Yes.
Oh, I get it.
Until somebody else gets 4, eh?
Oh, I get it.
Okay.
Go get her.
Go get her.
Go.
I am trying.
I knew I got my parents.
Get 5. Go, Denver.
I like those old Santa gloves better.
5.
Yeah, these are hard.
Never
too
go.
long.
I'm gonna get better ones for next year. But those ones went to heaven.
Hey!
Jordan, go, Jordan, 4. Go! Quickly, get those guns on, quick.
Unwrap it,
Go, my
Jordy.
girl, quick.
Unwrap it, Jordy.
Literally the hardest present on earth.
No tea, Jordan.
Go, Jordan, go!
Get it,
Go,
Jordy.
Go, Jordan, go!
Don't pay attention to what's going on around you.
Got it.
Jordan,
Got
keep
it.
going.
Fine.
Keep going. Yeah, don't.
How many times is it in a wrap? That's what I'm scared about.
Focus.
Go, Jordan. Go. Focus.
Oh, no.
I need triple wrap.
Focus. Keep going, Jordan. Go, Jordan.
Good work for Auntie She's gonna do some good work for us here. Oh!
Kim got it. Go.
He's coming across the circle.
Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy.
Breathe, Denver, breathe.
Get him a Pepsi, hurry.
Get him.
Go fast. Jordan,
Go, 4.
Take Jordan, go, Jordan.
Mercy on her.
Go, Jordan. Go.
Get a good start. Holy cow, you go right through the throat.
Okay. I got 4.
Take her shirt off. Oh, go, Nat, go. Oh, I want to see Natalie just take on Marl.
As she sits on the knife, find herself some time.
She cheated.
I cheated.
Go, Shauna, go.
I just gnaw through that. I just heard her gnaw crack. She was just gnawing through it. I know there's more in here.
Let's go.
Son of a...
Jordan, Natalie.
Oh, there's another one.
Grab it.
I broke your knuckles.
Quick.
There she goes again.
Go, Shauna.
Which Shauna?
Oh, go, Denver, get it, Auntie Shaw.
Oh, Denver.
Oh, here
You gotta get rid of that paper on your thumbs. Get rid of that paper on your thumbs. Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. Begin this quickly. Hey, Jordan.
Give me a knife.
Your turn, Shauna.
Good luck.
Go.
I haven't got it on yet.
Who's not maintaining the glove?
Go, Denver.
Hey, this is non-contact sport.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, McGinnis, go.
last
Go on,
round makes a bugger.
Jordan. Natalie. Oh.
Excuse me. My turn.
Oh, no.
There you go, look. There's blood on there.
Don't put him on, Nick.
Denver.
Here, I'll help that.
Oh, sorry there, kid. Grab it, McGinnis, grab it.
Oh,
Grab it, McGinnis. Go, Ted.
Your turn, Shauna.
Oh.
So is this ready
Oh, no kidding.
to first?
Go, Natalie. Go, Natalie. Go, Denver. Go,
Good thing you're not a shiner.
Dinner in Denver.
Oh. Go. Oh. Shauna, grab it. You have to grab it right now.
Too busy watching.
Yeah, okay. Kimmy, quickly. Go, McGinnis.
Dinner, you got it?
Go, Susie, go.
Go.
McGinnis, you know what's in there is a week of
Okay,
dishes.
go, Denver.
Go, Mom.
Wait a minute.
Go, Ted. No mouth. Yes, go.
Oh, you
No
got some
mouth.
time here, Jen.
Yeah, no mouth.
We're all
Come on.
It's a good
Quick,
time
quickly,
here.
grab it. Go, McGinnis, go.
Go get her, go. Help her.
Keep going.
Looking
Keep going,
good,
Susie.
my
Come
girl.
on, Susie. Denver, be on it, my boy.
Oh.
Ted. Go, Ted. Okay. Ted, go.
Somebody get a 4.
Okay,
How much do I do for
4.